In this video, I'll show you how to upload Google Docs to Claude AI step by step. This allows you to analyze, summarize, or ask questions about your documents directly inside Claude. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main chat screen. Next, I'll move my cursor to the message box at the bottom of the screen where I normally type my prompts. On the left side of the message field, I'll click the plus icon to open the upload options. From the menu that appears, I'll choose the option to upload a file. After clicking that, a file browser window will open on my computer. Since Google Docs are stored online, I'll first open my document in Google Docs in another tab. Once the document is open, I'll click File in the top menu, then select Download and choose PDF document or Microsoft Word .docx. This will download a copy of the document to my computer. Now I'll return to Claude, and in the file browser window, I'll locate the file I just downloaded. I'll select the document and click Open to upload it. After the upload finishes, the file will appear inside the chat message area. From here, I can type a prompt asking Claude to summarize the document, analyze the content, or answer questions about it. Finally, I'll click the Send button to submit the message with the uploaded file. Claude will then process the document and provide a response based on the content of the file. And that's it. I've successfully uploaded a Google Doc to Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.